Hey guys, welcome back to Speedlane. Nexon EV catches fire, Tata releases statement. A video of a Tata Nexon EV catching fire has gone viral on social media. The incident took place outside a restaurant in West Vasai area of Mumbai. It has been reported that firefighters were able to douse the flames. Fortunately, no one was injured in the incident. Tata Motors has issued a statement assuring an investigation to find out the cause of the fire. The Tata Nexon EV is India's best-selling electric car. The crossover is powered by a 30.2 kWh battery pack that offers a maximum range of 312 km. The statement for the car maker reads, "A detailed investigation is currently being conducted to ascertain the facts of the recent isolated thermal incident that is doing the rounds on social media. We will share a detailed response after our complete investigation. We remain committed to the safety of our vehicles and their users." This is the first incident after more than 30,000 EVs have cumulatively covered over 100 million kilometers across the country in nearly 4 years. Kia Carens scored 3 stars in Global NCAP crash test. The Kia Carens has been awarded a 3-star rating by Global NCAP. The car scored 9.30 points for adult occupant safety and 30.99 points for child occupant protection. As per the crash test report, the Carens offered good protection to the head and neck of the driver and passenger. The protection offered to the driver's chest was marginal while the passenger's chest was good. The car offered marginal knee protection to the driver and passenger. Driver's TBS showed adequate and good protection and passenger's TBS showed good protection. The body shell and footwell areas were rated as unstable and they were not capable of withstanding further loading. The child seat for the 3-year-old was not able to prevent excessive head movement during the impact, offering poor protection to the head and fair protection to the chest. The child seat for the 1.5-year-old was able to prevent head exposure during the impact, offering good protection to the head and chest. The test vehicle was equipped with front seatbelt pretensioners, dual front airbags, side body airbags, side head airbags, seatbelt reminder, ISO FIX and ABS. Feature list of 2022 Maruti Suzuki Brezza. The upcoming Maruti Brezza is expected to come loaded with various safety features. While higher variants will get 6 airbags and 360-degree camera, reports suggest that ESC with rollover mitigation will be offered as standard across all variants. In addition to ESC, all variants of the Brezza will be equipped with at least dual airbags, ABS and reverse parking sensors that are mandatory by law. The addition of new safety features should enable the 2022 Brezza to improve its Global NCAP score. That being said, whether it receives a 5-star crash rating remains to be seen. The 2022 Brezza will be powered by a 1.5-liter mild hybrid petrol engine paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. The 2022 Brezza will be launched on June 30. Pre-bookings are already open. Hyundai has backlog of over 1.35 lakh cars. Hyundai has revealed that it currently has over 1.35 lakh units pending delivery. The ongoing semiconductor shortage is said to be the reason behind the production backlog. According to Tarun Garg, Director Sales and Marketing, Hyundai India, the supplies of semiconductors had improved to an extent. Still, the company would be keeping a close eye on the current geopolitical situation as it could affect supply chains. Earlier, Maruti Suzuki had also revealed that it has an order backlog of 3.15 lakh units, more than double that of Hyundai. Out of this, 40% are said to be CNG variants. So that's it for this episode. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel to get more updates related to automobile news. Thank you.